So guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to deactivate or disable call forwarding or voicemail. Okay, voicemail is annoying me. Okay, because automatically it's got call forwarding. So first what you need to do is, on your iPhone you need to go to the settings. Okay, under setting, first search call forwarding. If activated, call forwarding, yes, it is there. I have two SIM, so I'm going to choose that. Call forwarding is already disabled. Okay, if it is enabled, just disable it. Okay, and then I'm going to check under search, then type live voicemail. So search, this is very important, search live voicemail. Okay, by default it will be enabled, you need to disable it. Okay, so that even sometimes your call might be forwarding, that also can stop. So you need to turn off this live voicemail. By default it's turned on, I just turned it off. Now call and check your mobile, definitely you will not be getting any voicemails or call forwarding. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback from your forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.